Daddy has this crazy idea that the kids can go out and play in the rain. Natalie's got her rain boots on. Charlie has his Crocs on.
You ready
and
to go?
It is pouring out there, but they really want to go out. So Daddy told them they could go out and then come back in and have a shower bath. Hi, Natalie wants the umbrella that I'm holding. Okay.
Okay, dogs out.
No?
Dogs out. Come on, dogs.
It's raining very, very hard. I'm not a fan of this idea, but when did I get a say in anything?
Okay, who wants to come outside and play?
Go out there.
It's raining.
It's freezing out here.
Come on.
Who needs the water park at SeaWorld?
Okay.
Alright, I think it's time. Okay. Come on, let's go inside and have a warm bath. Was that fun?